Alright, so I'm going to shoot this video just to help people out there that are having the stabilteac, service traction control, rough idle, misfire. There wasn't really too much online, so I had to kind of dig into it. I'm not a mechanic by any means, but anyway, it was the number 7 cylinder, and I went and had the code read, and it said it was a misfire. Told me to replace the fuel injector. Okay, seems simple enough. So I replaced the fuel injector. Did no noticeable difference. Still running rough. Service stabilteac, service, that kind of thing. So then I thought, before I take it in, I'm going to go ahead and change out the spark plugs. Well, when I got to the number 7, which is all of that one back there, it was really difficult and gave me a tough time getting out. And the rest of them all came up pretty easily. And those are the, let's see if you can see it here. Well, they're the 41-110 spark plug. In the back of mine, I had a 41-962. So I went down to the auto parts store and got new plugs, the 41-110s, and I replaced them all. And when I got to pulled out the number 7, physically could see that it had a crack on it. You can't really see it there, a slight crack. And that was the one that was giving me the problem. As soon as I got done replacing that one, I thought I'd fire back up and see if that helped. Lo and behold, ran perfectly fine. No service stabilteac, no service anything. So if you're getting that and you have a rough idle, more than likely from what I found, it's that number 7 cylinder. I would start with the spark plug instead of the fuel injector. Hopefully this helps. One other note, I was trying to find the proper spacing on the spark plugs, and there's a great debate whether it should be 0.0060 or whatever, 0.0040. And I just got the Iridium AC Delco 41-110 that, they're supposed to be properly spaced. I did just take their word for it. I didn't put it on my tool to make sure that they were properly spaced. But everything seemed to work out fine. So if you're having a problem with service stabilteac, traction control, rough idle, it's probably going to be on that number 7 cylinder. And check your spark plug first, and then maybe the fuel injector, and then the coil and the connections. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. Good luck.